me. Okay, we hold this island.
This is Pobre. The big blob is Pobre.
Yo, what the? Where did that come from?
They were walking past you while you were killing Wish.
Come back to the hill. King of the hill. Yo, when you zone in, I'm gonna be the smaller blob on the east side, okay? When you zone in, there's gonna be a big ass blob. It's gonna be Wish. Oh wait, no, they're small. I'm gonna be the east blob of Junes. Okay. They're gonna start fighting. I'm gonna join the fight. Come southeast. Oh, on top. Yo, actually, where's Wish going?
I'm looking.
Yeah, currently fighting.
Nandiyan sa may blood na hounds yung ano.
Okay. Yo, can someone tell hounds don't hit TFD? Priority is Dato right now.
Pobre is east, north of you. Kiting east.
Oh, okay. Come. Oh, how far from pinks? 3
screens. Just about.
Yo, this blob is northeast. Okay, this small blob is me northeast. Walk, please, Matthew.
Oh fuck! I got engaged.
Yeah, I see. Yo, look southwest. Come southwest. They engage. Walk in southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest right now. Southwest.
Hounds yan.
Nice hit. And push through. Push through.
So
Oh, this is Hounds.
Squad.
Come east. Go back east.
Gago.
Ano din na yan? Wala sila sa TS. It's fine.
Yo. East of this big blob is me and Hounds, okay? Southwest of the blob is fucking enemies. Yo, come southwest. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm east side of the blob, directly east of the blob. Hold your defensive. Okay. Yo, look west, okay. Okay. Look west. Defensive here. Walk in southwest. Southwest. Full counter southwest. Walk in inside west.
Sukoy, west mo, Sukoy. Malaki.
3, 2, 1. Southwest right now. It is massive. Nice fucking deletion. Push through. Yo, defensive. Yo, I'm full pushing Wish. I'm full pushing south right now. Go push through west. Southwest. Push through southwest. Catch up, boys. Catch up. Yo, I am southeast of the blob. Ako. Yo, west. Push through. Yo, hold defensive in the front. I'm walking. 8 seconds. Okay, 8 seconds. We're gonna hit. We're gonna hit again west. Okay, ready. Keep going. CC, come CC chain this. Come CC chain. Yo, straight west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West. Hit this west. Hit that west. Yo, they're on the water bridge northeast of the. They're on the bridge northeast of the Terry. Okay. Yo, hold. Just hold here and stabilize. Roll on the guys inside. Okay. This is northwest. This is also.
Bumps.
Come northwest.
South PH yung nasa southwest mo.
Okay.
You should start in south.
Okay. Come west.
Instead of Dato.
Yo, look west. Okay, look west. Keep walking west. Keep popping west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can hit west. Putang. Go east. Go back east and stabilize. Putang ina, naka-open mic yung dalawang caller, yawa. Just hold east, okay? Just hold around me. Hold here, brawl. Yo, boys, hello? Hello, boys.
Mga dagayan, hello?
Hello? Yo, Datos north. Yo, hold southeast. Be southeast to me. Look north. Be southeast.
Mix sila, Hounds and Dato yun. West side mo, Wish. Walking sa'yo.
Oh, come southeast. Be southeast.
Binam ng TSD yung west.
Look west 5. Southwest 4 by the wall. 3, 2, 1. West of the wall. Putang ina nyo. Pusin yan. Nice. Go back east and hold. Yo, I'm gonna be east of you. Yo, defensive. Nice.
Reset inside.
Sino yun?
Gamay bola. Pushing yung Wish sa west.
Come west. Follow me. Follow west. Keep coming west. Catch up.
Akin na dyan, huwag kayong mag-loot.
Catch up. Yo, this is me northeast of you. Don't hit me, okay? Yo, this is me northeast of you. Don't hit me. Hold. Come south. Come east. Yo, where the rest is everyone?
So wait, north of you earlier was Datu.
Okay, let's go to Dato. Yo, I'm gonna go help Hounds against Dato, okay? I'm going to northeast. Come northeast. Just walk. Walk lang muna tayo. Just walk. Yo, northeast 5, north 4, 3, 2, 1. Come hit this north. Yo, stabilize west. Spread west. Low, look southeast. Yo, ready?
Hounds.
Low, walking southeast. Is that how this Hounds? Okay,
Yeah, that's
Hounds.
Come west. Come north. Okay. They're running. We're chasing Dato right now in the northeast. We're northeast.
Full run. West side mo.
West side. Can we catch kids. Help. Mantap. Watch out. Okay, we good. Mantap. Yo, ping. Yo, Dato's full running. Yeah, Dato's full running.
Wish is wipe. They don't have debuff anymore.
Yeah, TFD just wiped it.
Redly fight.
Yo, regroup, please.
Redly fight
Regroup.
TFD.
Yeah, we can fight TFD after.
Ay, ano to? Ba't nagpa-fight pa sila dito? Ano to?
Sugoi is friend. Don't hit Sugoi, please.
Hounds is fighting someone. I'm not sure who.
Ano yan?
Si Sheo.
Pobre na ano? Tumatak.
Sheo.
Yo, regroup. Are you guys fighting?
Ay, Tendisari.
Where are you fighting?
Pobre is still fighting.
Come south.
Hard south.
Ping for me.
Family in Pobre here.
Come east. Yo, I'm gonna wrap around East Bridge. Okay, I'm gonna wrap around East Bridge. Come east.
The family is pushing north.
Okay, we're gonna come from behind. Can we start dismounting here?
I'm dismounted. They're pushing north.
Layo mo, Sugoy.
Masyado malayo?
Yeah, malayo pa.
Dismount ka na dyan.
Yo, come dismount here. Look northwest. North. 5. By the wall. 4, 3, 2, 1. By the wall. Delete the wall. Guys, come back south.
Parang wala na.
Kite south. Kite and blow south. I see Pobre southwest. Yo, come south and stabilize. Hold. Look northeast. Yo, where's the rest of the ano? This is the house. Look north. 5 seconds. North. Come.
Mix.
No. House pala.
Hounds yan eh.
Come back west. Hounds yun, hit na naman natin.
Hindi.
Dalawa namatay.
TFD mo south.
Mix.
TFD south.
Okay.
Alay, TFD.
Yo, TFD, I'm north of you, okay? Careful. Come.
Sounds on your note.
Ay, family nasa northeast ng Hounds, Sugoy.
Mix sila.
Come back west, come south. Come back south. Oh, no. Come south. Look east. Come south and look east. Hounds. Putang ina. Come back
Ito
south.
family, tumatakbo lahat.
Come northwest.
Nagmamount up na lahat, oh.
Come northwest. May mahuli pa tayo?
Ang dami sa akin. Naghihitakbuhan.
Full run na.
Sayo.
Come south. Matsumatap. Straight to matap.
Sayo.
Yo, you guys still fighting? Where?
Oh, fuck.
Teori ko po dito. We're gonna fight the TFD next.
Ibang ata yung loot Sugoy.
Bank mo na pala.
May bank sa northwest.
Saan kayo mag-bank?
Northwest.
Thicket?
Ay, di, mas malapit pala sa South Bluff.
South Bluff mo yan, no?